Turmeric has been used for many years, not only for spice or for cooking, but as medicine for the skin too. So these days you can find turmeric in face masks, scrubs, lotions, and soaps. So today actually I'll be showing you guys on how to make a turmeric soap. Turmeric is packed with many antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit the skin. Sometimes your skin can grow through a dry patches and need some help to bring out its natural glow. So that's why turmeric comes in. So guys, my name is Latoya. For those that are new and for those that are already following me, thank you for sticking in. So today I will be showing you guys on how to make the turmeric soap. You guys can see here this turmeric, it looks like yellowish. There are two different types of turmeric. You can find different types of turmeric powder, the golden one and the darker brown. So here this soap I use the golden one because I love using the golden turmeric powder for my clients, and then instead of the dark turmeric powder. Don't panic when you see the video where I use the darker turmeric. I just wanted to show you guys the difference of the powders, how it looks like once you use your turmeric. So here I use the golden powder, and on the video I'll be using the darker powder. Do not panic, it's still the same turmeric. First of all, what you will need obviously your gloves. Please do not use, if you are doing products for selling, do not forget to sterilize clean nicely your area. So I'll be using a soap base, which is the glycerin soap that you can see, the turmeric powder and the vitamin E oil. So then you take your glycerin soap, which is the pure soap, cut it in small pieces because you'll need to use this one. Cut them into smaller pieces. While we're busy cutting this turmeric soap, the turmeric base, I just want to tell you something. You can actually do this as a cold process. You can do the turmeric soap as a cold process or hot process or melt and pour. And here we are doing the melt and pour. So then pour your hot water into a bowl, and then you put your bowl with the soap in that hot water and then leave it to melt. But you can also melt using the microwave, but I don't want to kill all the benefits of the soap. That's why I decided to melt it that way. After melting, then you can stir it nicely and make sure that you do it quickly, because these things, it will go back to a hardened way, the way you find it. So it dries very quickly. Let me just say dries very quickly. After that, put 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I prefer using grapeseed oil or jojoba oil. Jojoba, because it's a very light oil, it won't sit on top of the soap. If you use heavy oils, it will sit on top of the soap once it dries. And then add your vitamin E oil. You know why you're adding your vitamin E oil? Because vitamin E oil is antioxidant. It will help your soaps not to go rancid. And then add tea tree essential oil. Tea tree helps with acne, dries out your acne, helps with sensitive skin. If you have a very sensitive skin, you need to use tea tree. You can use any essential oil of your choice, but please do not put perfumes into your oil, because perfume, a lot of people are sensitive, not into the oil. So do not use perfume into your soap, any product. Okay, you can use in your products, but not in this soap. And then add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can see how this turmeric is turning out very dark, because we are using a dark powder, not the golden powder. Turmeric helps to heal wounds, helps with some skin conditions such as psoriasis, helps reduce blemishes, help fade skin scars, bring out your natural glow, good anti-aging. Let's say after a certain age, our body stop producing collagen. So curcumin found in turmeric can stimulate collagen production, making your skin appear more youthful and young. It moisturizes the skin. Now, this part moisturizes. A lot of people claim that turmeric dries out the skin. If you think that the turmeric is drying out your skin, when you are preparing your turmeric soap, make sure that you put enough jojoba or grapeseed oil or pure glycerin. Pure glycerin is gonna help to moisturize your skin, because now this soap is already pure glycerin soap, but just add again glycerin to have a nice soft skin, also to moisturize your skin. It helps to treat stretch marks, helps protect against skin environmental damage. So now here our turmeric already dry. You leave it to get dry for 30 minutes to an hour, and then you can remove it from the mold. Actually, you can use any mold of your choice. So that's how our turmeric powder soap came out, a bit dark comparing to the one that you saw previously. Another thing I just want to mention, while turmeric soap comes with many potential benefits, as with any skincare product, it's important to remember that everyone's skin is unique and reactions may vary. There are a few considerations to keep in mind when using turmeric soap. The first is the potential of allergies or sensitivities. Some individuals may experience allergic contact dermatitis, a type of skin inflammation as a reaction to turmeric or its active compound curcum. So actually, it's smart to do a test patch before applying the turmeric soap to a larger area of your skin. So that's how the turmeric soap came out. Thank you very much, guys, for watching.